Flying a new aircraft for the first time is a moment of truth, a culmination of years of training, anticipation, and technical preparation. It's the instant when theory meets reality, and every lesson learned in the classroom or simulator is put to the ultimate test. No simulator or manual can replicate the sensation of the machine coming alive around you. The roar of the engines, the subtle vibrations, and the surge of acceleration as you leave the ground. These are experiences that can only be felt in the real cockpit. Every sense is heightened, and the stakes are real. For Canadian pilots flying the Saab Gripen E, it was more than a test flight. It was a revelation. The first moments in the air revealed a fighter that responded instantly to every input, making the aircraft feel like an extension of the pilot's own body. They arrived with experience from the FA-18 Hornet, a proven and respected platform, but left with a sense that the Gripen E was a leap forward in technology and pilot experience. The transition was not just about adapting to a new jet, but about discovering new possibilities in the sky. The jet felt designed around the pilot, intuitive and responsive, with performance that exceeded expectations. Advanced digital displays, ergonomic controls, and seamless integration of systems made complex tasks feel natural, allowing pilots to focus on the mission rather than the machine. Pilots described its agility and energy as both powerful and predictable, allowing them to push limits with confidence. The Gripen E's maneuverability inspired trust, making high-speed turns and rapid climbs feel controlled and precise, even in challenging conditions. This hands-on experience shifted the Gripen E from a paper option to a real contender for Canada's future fighter fleet. Seeing the jet perform in Canadian conditions, and feeling its capabilities firsthand, gave pilots and decision-makers a new perspective on what the next generation of air power could be. The bond between pilot and aircraft is crucial, and in this, the Gripen E truly impressed. For those who flew it, the experience was not just about flying a new jet, but about forging a partnership with a machine built to empower and protect those at the controls. The Gripen E's cockpit is a revolution in pilot-centered design. Gone are the cluttered panels of the FA-18. Instead, a single panoramic touchscreen puts all information at a glance. HOTAS controls keep every essential function at the pilot's fingertips, streamlining complex tasks. Automatic trimming and advanced flight control software allow for carefree, aggressive maneuvering without fear of losing control. The jet systems anticipate the pilot's needs, reducing workload and boosting situational awareness. Pilots can focus on tactics, not just flying, thanks to seamless automation. Every aspect, from startup to emergency management, is simplified and intuitive. This isn't just about comfort, it's about combat effectiveness. The Gripen E empowers pilots to perform at their best, especially in high-stress scenarios. Canadian aviators found the aircraft not just capable, but a genuine force multiplier. The Gripen E's intelligence extends to every system, seamlessly integrating advanced technology throughout the aircraft. From the moment a pilot steps into the cockpit, they're surrounded by a digital environment designed to anticipate their needs and reduce cognitive strain. Every control, display, and interface is optimized for ease of use, making the pilot's job not only safer and more efficient, but also less stressful during high-pressure missions. Emergency procedures, which once filled 100 pages, are now condensed to just 10, thanks to smart automation and self-diagnosing systems that monitor the jet's health in real time. This means pilots can focus on flying and fighting, not flipping through manuals. Startup is rapid and intuitive, with key systems ready by default. Pre-flight steps are minimized, allowing the jet to be airborne in a fraction of the time compared to older fighters. This quick turnaround is crucial in modern combat scenarios. Sensor fusion technology combines radar, IRST, and electronic warfare data into a single comprehensive tactical display. Instead of piecing together information from multiple sources, pilots get a clear, unified view of the battle space. Gone are the days of juggling multiple screens and cluttered controls. The Gripen E's streamlined interface delivers real-time information, reducing distractions and letting pilots concentrate on the mission at hand. This integration leads to superior situational awareness, enabling pilots to make faster, more informed decisions in the heat of battle. The result is a decisive edge over adversaries. The aircraft takes on the burden of data-intensive tasks, processing vast amounts of information so pilots can focus on strategy, tactics, and mission success. The Gripen E is more than just a weapons platform, it's an intelligent partner in combat, working alongside the pilot to maximize effectiveness and survivability. Canadian pilots who have flown the Gripen E confirm that its smart systems make them more effective and survivable, especially in contested and unpredictable airspace. The Gripen E represents a leap in operational capability, not just in terms of technology, but in how it empowers pilots to meet the demands of modern aerial warfare with confidence and precision. For Canadian pilots, stepping into the Gripen E is like moving from one era of aviation to the next, a true generational leap from the FA-18 Hornet that has served for decades. The difference is immediately noticeable, not just in the cockpit layout, but in how the aircraft responds to every input. The Hornet's older design means pilots face a higher workload, juggling analog controls and legacy systems. Its agility, while impressive in its day, now lags behind newer fighters. In contrast, the Gripen E's digital cockpit, advanced fly-by-wire system, and intuitive controls allow pilots to focus on the mission, not the machine. Superior energy retention and carefree handling make it easier to push the jet to its limits. In close-range dogfights, the Gripen E's agility and rapid response give pilots a clear edge, allowing them to outmaneuver opponents and maintain control even in the most demanding scenarios. This translates to greater survivability and effectiveness in real combat situations. When compared to the F-35, the Gripen E takes a different approach. While it isn't built around stealth, it compensates with cutting-edge electronic warfare capabilities and powerful IRST sensors designed to detect and counter stealth threats. This makes the Gripen E a formidable adversary, even against more modern, stealth-focused jets. Pilots often describe the Gripen E as a true pilot's aircraft. Agile, responsive, and genuinely enjoyable to fly. Its design philosophy puts the pilot at the center, making it a favorite among those who value hands-on flying and direct control. The F-35, on the other hand, is all about stealth and sensor fusion. Its advanced systems allow pilots to see and strike without being seen, but this comes with trade-offs. Sometimes, raw maneuverability is sacrificed for low observability and networked warfare. The Gripen E strikes a balance, blending state-of-the-art avionics and sensors with the classic performance and feel of a traditional fighter. It's a jet that doesn't force pilots to choose between technology and flying experience. Ultimately, the question isn't which jet is better in absolute terms, but which aircraft best fits Canada's unique operational needs, geography, and defense priorities. Each jet brings its own strengths to the table. For Canada's future fleet, the Gripen E stands out as a compelling and flexible alternative, offering advanced technology, pilot-focused design, and adaptability for the challenges ahead. The Gripen E stands out for its low operating costs, under $10,000 per flight hour, far less than many competitors. For Canada, this means more flying hours and better training within the same budget. Maintenance is streamlined, small crews, minimal equipment, and rapid turnaround, ready for the next mission in under 10 minutes. High operational availability and easy access to components keep the fleet mission ready. Unlike some jets that require specialized facilities, the Gripen E's logistical footprint is small and efficient. This translates to more reliable, affordable air defense across Canada's vast territory. The Gripen E scored high in Canadian sustainment evaluations, proving its value. It's a fiscally responsible choice that doesn't compromise on capability. Saab's Gripen E proposal is more than a jet. It's a partnership with Canadian industry. Assembly in Canada would create thousands of high-skilled jobs and keep investment at home. Saab offers full technology transfer, giving Canada control over software, upgrades, and integration. True sovereignty. This autonomy is rare and would revitalize Canada's aerospace sector, fostering innovation and expertise. The project would train a new generation of engineers and technicians, with benefits rippling across the economy. Saab even proposes building Gripens for export, making Canada a global supplier. The Gripen E plan is a strategic investment in jobs, technology, and national independence. It's about equipping our Air Force and building our future. Defending Canada's Arctic demands a rugged, reliable jet that thrives in harsh conditions. The Gripen E, designed for Sweden's winters, is proven in extreme cold, snow and ice. Its ability to operate from short, austere runways, or even public roads, makes it ideal for the north. Dispersed operations mean jets can be stationed across remote locations, increasing resilience and rapid response. Minimal support requirements and fast turnaround keep the fleet ready. even far from major bases. This flexibility is unmatched by most modern fighters. As Arctic competition grows, the Gripen E offers practical, effective sovereignty. Pilots see it as perfectly matched to Canada's unique environment. It's not just a fighter, it's a tool for defending our northern frontier. Canadian pilots' enthusiasm for the Gripen E has transformed the debate over our next fighter. The jet's intuitive cockpit, carefree handling, and strong performance make it a top-tier contender. More than just a machine, it represents a vision for sovereign, sustainable Canadian air power. Open architecture software means Canada controls upgrades and technology, avoiding foreign dependency. A mixed fleet, combining the F-35's stealth with the Gripen E's flexibility, could offer the best of both worlds. This approach promises greater capability and resilience for the Royal Canadian Air Force. The Gripen E is a chance to equip pilots with a world-class jet, create high-tech jobs, and assert Arctic sovereignty. It's not just an alternative, it's a compelling vision for a stronger, more independent Canadian Air Force.